Legal alert by Deepak Miglani. Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act has no overriding effect over the right of residence of a woman in a shared household within the meaning of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, Supreme Court. Facts of the case: a senior citizen couple filed an application under the provisions of the Senior Citizens Act seeking eviction of their daughter-in-law and granddaughter from a residential house. This application was allowed by the Assistant Commissioner. Later, the said order was upheld by the Deputy Commissioner in appeal. The Karnataka High Court upheld these orders by dismissing writ petitions filed by daughter-in-law. Before the apex court, the daughter-in-law contended that she cannot be evicted from her shared household in view of the protection offered by Section 17 of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. Judgment: the Supreme Court has held that the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act has no overriding effect over the right of residence of a woman in a shared household within the meaning of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act. दोस्तों, इस केस में सीनियर सिटीजन ने अपनी डॉटर इन लॉ और ग्रैंड डॉटर को रेजिडेंशियल हाउस से एविक्ट करने के लिए द सीनियर सिटीजन्स एक्ट में एक एप्लीकेशन फाइल करी थी। इस एप्लीकेशन को असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर ने अलाउ कर दिया था। बाद में असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर के ऑर्डर को डिप्टी कमिश्नर ने अपहेल्ड कर दिया था अपील के अंदर। डॉटर इन लॉ फिर कर्नाटका हाईकोर्ट चली गई। कर्नाटका हाईकोर्ट ने इन आदेशों को अपहेल्ड कर दिया और डॉटर इन लॉ की पिटीशन को डिसमिस कर दिया। पिटिशनर फिर सुप्रीम कोर्ट में चली गई। अब क्वेश्चन था सुप्रीम कोर्ट के पास। दोस्तों, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि द मेंटेनेंस एंड वेलफेयर ऑफ पेरेंट्स एंड सीनियर सिटीजन्स एक्ट का कोई ओवरराइडिंग इफेक्ट नहीं है राइट ऑफ रेजिडेंस ऑफ ए वीमेन। जो महिला का राइट ऑफ रेजिडेंस है ना, जो शेयर्ड हाउस होल्ड में महिला को मिला हुआ है द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ वीमेन फ्रॉम डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस एक्ट के तहत, उसके राइट ऑफ रेजिडेंस पर मेंटेनेंस एंड वेलफेयर ऑफ पेरेंट्स एंड सीनियर सिटीजन्स एक्ट का कोई ओवरराइडिंग इफेक्ट नहीं है। The bench noted the legislative scheme of both the legislations. Referring to the provisions of the Senior Citizens Act, the bench said, the tribunal under the Senior Citizens Act 2007 may have the authority to order an eviction if it is necessary and expedient to ensure the maintenance and protection of the senior citizen or parent. Eviction, in other words, would be an incident of the enforcement of the right to maintenance and protection. However, this remedy can be granted only after adverting to the competing claims in the dispute. It is necessary to recapitulate that the situation in the present case is that the eviction was sought of the daughter-in-law, that is the appellant. The court further noted that Section 3 of Senior Citizens Act observed that its provisions will have effect, notwithstanding anything inconsistent contained in any other enactment, and that the principles of statutory interpretation dictate that in the event of two special acts containing non-obstinate clauses, the later law shall typically prevail. But the court said, in the event of a conflict between special acts, the dominant purpose of both statutes would have to be analyzed to ascertain which one should prevail over the other. The bench made the following observations, allowing the Senior Citizens Act 2007 to have an overriding force and effect in all situations, irrespective of competing entitlements of a woman to a right in a shared household within the meaning of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005, would defeat the object and purpose which the Parliament sought to achieve in enacting the later legislation. The law protecting the interest of senior citizens is intended to ensure that they are not left destitute or at the mercy of their children or relatives. Equally, The purpose of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 cannot be ignored by the slate of statutory interpretation. Both sets of legislation have to be harmoniously construed, hence the right of a woman to secure a residence order in respect of a shared household cannot be defeated by the simple expedient of securing an order of eviction by adopting the summary procedure under the Senior Citizens Act 2007. Case details. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.